No doubt we have all been absolutely inundated with media and emails from a variety of different sources as we're all learning to have to navigate life quite differently these days. And so we wanted to communicate with our clients so that you can understand the impact that this is having on our firm, our response to it, the challenges that we are facing in the days ahead of busy season, and to inform you of some official news that came out by the IRS today. First and foremost, however, we do want you to understand what our top priority is at this time, and that is the health and the safety of our clients and our staff. We understand that there's an increasing call for social distancing, and so we ask our clients to help us embrace that by minimizing face-to-face meetings during this time. So therefore, we want to bring to your attention some alternatives that we have. If you haven't dropped your tax return information off to us yet, we do encourage you to do so sooner than later, number one. Number two, if you do choose to drop that off in person, we ask that you call us in advance or email us in advance so that we'll be made aware of the time that you're coming by. Or if you're picking up information, please give us a heads up as well. However, if you can upload your information to us electronically, that would be the preferred means. I'm going to invite your attention to our website at ywcpas.com. Up on the upper right-hand side of the screen, you'll see a menu for file upload. When you click that, you'll be then taken to a link that will sign you right into our portal, where you're able to now drag and drop files directly onto that portal, as well as choose a recipient, and we will receive a notification via email that you've uploaded those files, and we can go and download and retrieve those files for your tax preparation. If it is that you have a folder out on our share file system already and you're pulling files into that, please be aware that we don't get a notification when you do that. Therefore, you need to email us to let us know that you have put those files out there for us at this time. As a great alternative to face-to-face meetings, we have been using Zoom conferencing already with some clients and have been given a very positive response in doing so. It allows us to have these meetings over the internet, face-to-face, if you otherwise have a camera that we can see you and you can see us. But if nothing else, we can get on a phone call and share our screen with you so that we can review your tax return together, as well as any other documents and planning, just like we would if we were in a meeting with you in our own conference room. And so we want to encourage you to take advantage of that, and we will certainly make you more aware of that as it comes time for your tax preparation. We did have an official release from the IRS today of an extension of a deadline to pay any balance due on your tax return. The IRS is giving a 90-day extension on payment, whereas you will not incur any penalties or interest as long as those payments are made by July 15th for those that are owing up to $1 million in taxes. The original due dates continue to remain intact. April 15th, as well as the extended deadline of October 15th. State and local deadlines are still rather uncertain at this point, and as we get more information, if those deadlines are extended, we will bring those to your attention. Given the financial impact of the coronavirus, we feel it is our social responsibility to prioritize those clients who we anticipate will be getting refunds in their returns so that they can get that cash back and get in the queue for those refunds as quickly as possible. And so we ask for your patience toward that end. And if it is that you're going to owe a balance, if you have already filed, we encourage you to take advantage of the 90-day extension to pay. If you have yet to file, we ask that you allow us to put your returns on extension and give you time to pay by July 15th so that we can prioritize those clients who will be getting refunds. We certainly ask for your patience at this time. These are unprecedented times, very uncharted territory for most of us, significant disruption to life for all of us, the extent of which is still relatively uncertain. It's changing daily, and it's even changing by the hour. It is not business as usual for us either, and our lives and our business affairs have been affected as well as our families. Our firm, fortunately, is entirely in the cloud for all of our systems. So if need be, and if our governor so chooses to mandate that most businesses shut down, we do have the ability to work remotely and continue to persist with tax season, even from our own homes. And so we ask for your patience. We ask for your consideration during this difficult time, the challenges that we're going to face as we try to navigate and deal with clients as fairly and as responsibly as possible. We just ask for a little added extra patience with us. We are having to man and field a lot of phone calls and a lot of emails. And if you can just make sure that those are essential, that would certainly help at this time as we try to deal with our own lives and our own families as well. And so we want to leave you with this thought that has been posed by Simon Sinek, that we all embrace generosity during this time, selflessness, and a calm caution as we all try to navigate this together. We do appreciate you being our client, and we want to serve you in every way possible and give you our very best during this time. Thank you.